So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, as you can see it over here, we are going to learn about how to make a straight flight staircase. So let's say you want to cover an height of, let's say, 120 inches or 10 feet. Okay, so here we'll do a little bit of maths over here. So let's say a tread or a regular tread, the standard tread is always 12 inches, that is 1 feet, and the riser is going to be 6 inches. So let's say you want to cover a height of 10 feet, so you will need to have there 20 risers right over here. So 20 risers means 20 feet, which is right over here. So the just draw a line. Let's say you have to cover this is your height that you have to cover, and you have a floor which is right over here. So let's say from here you will need a distance of 240 inches, which is right over here. So here you will make your first riser of 6 inches and your first tread of 12 inches. And all you have to do now is just select this, press array, select path, select path curve. Okay, just copy, select the down of the riser. Let's say one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. As you can see, the stairs are all covered. So what you have to do after this is just group all this, select all this right over here, just press J, enter, and this is now okay. So let's say this is a simple stringer beam pattern. So you have to draw the beam from right over here. So this becomes 1 feet, and 1 feet will be, and same the beam will continue also over here till 1 feet, that is 12 inches, which is right over here. And now you just have to connect this thing, trim this off, and as you can see, your straight flight staircase is just ready. But the this thickness varies. If you have like the length of the or the width of the staircase is lesser, then this can all or also be a little bit shorter, which is right over here like this. It can also start from the first steps end, which is right over here, but that depends on the length of your staircase. So right now, if you consider a stair width of 1 meter, then 1 feet of stringer beam is needed for 10 feet of rise. So this is what like a typical one floor straight flight looks like. This can also have landings over here. It can even have two landings over here if it is a bungalow or a house or whatever like this. This is just a simple way to show how a simple straight flight staircase works. And that's all for the video. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. So here we have covered the basics of how to make a straight flight staircase. And if you want to learn more details of it, like plans, sections, working drawings, something like that, so then just drop a comment below and I will make a video of that quickly. Thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need it.